Hi guys, in just 10 minutes, I want to show you guys how I make a professional Afrobeat from scratch. No complicated issue, nothing, it's just pure vibes. Listen to the beat first. Okay guys, I'm going to show you how I make this. In today's video, we are going to make an Afrobeat emotional, simple drums, chorus, everything in this video. I'm going to show you step by step. You are making beats all every time. You will learn things, more and more things. I just show you guys what I've learned newly every time on my video. I show you what I've learned. So patient, all your popcorn, carry book and bible, they write details. You get. Let's get right to it. But first, before I tell my bad lab, Afrobeat is not about like you want make music. It's about the bounce. You get how to feel it. That is what Afrobeat stand for. Not too much music noise. I want to make too much noise. Yeah, this is how I make the drum, professional drum in my bad lab. You can sample, carry from a lot of Afrobeat sample in here. See it, right? This is the drum. Professionally selected. This is how. See, all this thing here is piano. I use piano and I put it in the sample pack. Put it in the sample pack. This is how I do it. You get. Most of you know how to do this. Most of you don't how to put piano. Once you already play it, record it, put it in the sample pack. It's easy actually. Some of you know it, some of you don't. Okay, let's go to the next thing. The next thing is this. The bass to follow the beat. Most of you can't hear the bass, but it work. This bass, electric guitar bass, make the drum much harder. The bass must follow the beat. And once you want to play a piano on Afrobeat, once you want to add an instrument like guitar or piano, make sure you feel something. Because it's about the feeling emotionally. Yeah, these things together, these three things are just added together. Alright. Okay, let's go to the. Let me show you how I add piano to follow up. I say piano. Keyboard. My piano now, piano. Look at the piano I add. That's the trumpet. This thing is guitar. This is the piano here. You guys see that now I have added the piano. You see, it's so amazing. I use guitar to start and I use piano to finish. This is the piano I used to get first piano to make it more. Whoa, beat is the most wonderful thing. You have to make a beat professionally so artists can buy beat from you. I'm an artist, I don't sell my beat, I make beat and use it. She knows it's the only beat in man. This is just this purple. See how you make the chorus more intro. Oh god. Most people understand, most people don't. This is beautiful. This sound make me feel some way, like emotionally. I'm happy with hearing the beat instead of singing on it. Get. Okay, we are add everything. Now let me show you the details. You see, this is the drum. This is how I made the drum. You can touch here and put it, enter a lot of sample in. Just download bandlap and follow up on my video. You know how to come here. It's easy. So you all should know this. Piano. I don't add trumpet on this beat, but trumpet don't fit in. But you can add trumpet in yours. It's easy to add trumpet and stuff. Get me? This is from another person. This beat is not that bad. You guys see that beat is amazing. But the thing you will notice or notice is like the guitar, put it on the same sample pack as the drums. The guitar, I learned that in somewhere making beat. You can carry a guitar pack, play the guitar, record it, put it on a sample pack, share it, and use it for any beat. It will match any beat. This is a wonderful thing. I don't know this before. I don't know this. But bro, okay, that is the video. Like, subscribe for more. If you want me to be dropping more video about making beats, comment beats. Get me? If you want to drop more video about making beats, comment beats. Or I'll just show you how you can sing song on your phone. Everything's on your phone. No, it's not nothing, just your phone. No more equipment, just only your phone. You get me? Stay blessed. Subscribe, like. Peace out.